and 16 proven money-saving tricks that not only save you money, but also enhance your lifestyle. Cutting electricity costs. We use a lot of electricity without even realizing it. Simple actions like leaving lights, fans, and the TV on when no one's using them waste energy and raise your electricity bill. By turning off lights, fans, and TVs when you're not using them, you can save money over time. It might seem like a small difference at first, but those little savings add up and make a noticeable impact on your bill. And embrace home cooking. Instead of always ordering food online, try spending time cooking at home. It's healthier and you'll save money in the long run. Cooking isn't as hard as it seems, and with a little practice, you can make delicious meals easily. Plus, it's a great way to take control of what you eat and enjoy fresher, healthier food. Break costly habits. Avoiding expensive habits like drinking and smoking is another way to save money. By cutting back or quitting, you'll not only improve your health, but also see more savings. Start taking control of your habits, and you'll notice how much more money you can save over time. Smart long-term investments. Always invest in things that will benefit you in the long run. Smart investments today can lead to significant savings in the future. Maximize your appliances. My fridge and oven have been really helpful in preserving leftovers and reheating food. Without them, I'd end up wasting food and vegetables as they spoil after a few days. Storing food properly helps prevent waste and saves money in the long run. Go green with efficiency. Use energy-efficient products like LED lights and always check their power consumption. This helps lower your energy usage, reduces electricity bills, and is better for the environment. Small changes like this can make a big difference over time. Invest in solar power. Investing in solar panels is one of the best ways to reduce your electricity bills. By generating your own energy, you'll save money in the long run and decrease your reliance on traditional power sources. It's a smart, eco-friendly investment that pays off over time. Automate for savings. In today's world of AI and automation, take advantage of technology to make life easier. Automate tasks like paying electricity and credit card bills to avoid late fees and fines. You can also automate your home, such as setting gate lights to turn off automatically in the morning. Look for ways to automate daily tasks, reduce responsibility, and save a bit of money in the process. Apply the 30-day rule. Before making a purchase, wait for 30 days. You'll likely realize you don't really need it, and it may not be as important as it first seemed. Giving yourself time to think helps avoid impulsive buying and ensures you only spend on what's truly necessary. Monitor your spending. One important rule is to track your expenses every month. Without tracking, it's easy to lose sight of where your money goes. By monitoring your spending, you can identify patterns and plan better for the next month. If you share finances with a partner, consider using a joint account to make tracking and managing your money easier. Shop smartly. Before buying any product, research your options thoroughly. With many brands available, you can often find better alternatives or better deals. Buy in bulk when possible, as it's usually more cost-effective. For example, a 150-gram tube of toothpaste might cost 100 rupees, while a 500-gram tube costs 300 rupees. It's smarter to shop for groceries once a month rather than weekly. Additionally, take advantage of offers and sales by keeping track of them to save even more. Get value for your money. Don't waste your hard-earned cash on junk. Make sure you're actually getting some value for the money you're spending, not just throwing it away. Spending 10,000 rupees on a dress that you wear only once is not worth it. Only make such purchases if they are truly necessary. Don't waste money on brands. Nobody cares about the label. Choose alternatives that offer better value for your money. Quality is important, but it's not always worth paying a premium. For example, if you need a white t-shirt, you might find a 500 rupee shirt that lasts 6 months and a 2,000 rupee shirt that lasts a year. In this case, the 500 rupee shirt can be a more practical choice and still offer good value. Boost your income. The strategies I've shared can help you save money, but you can't cut costs on everything. Basic needs like food and rent are unavoidable. The best way to increase your savings is to earn more. Consider having 2 jobs or multiple streams of income to boost your earnings. If you're a couple, aim to have at least 3 sources of income between you. Optimize your savings strategy. What I've explained so far is how to save money. but I haven't covered how long you should hold on to it. As a general rule, you shouldn't keep large amounts of money in a savings account for more than a year. For example, if you start with 100,000 rupees in January and add 50,000 rupees in May, your account balance grows to 150,000 rupees. If you withdraw 30,000 rupees in August and another 10,000 rupees in December, your balance is now 120,000 rupees. Keeping that 100,000 rupees in your account for almost a year means you missed opportunities to invest it. Instead, you could have placed it in a fixed deposit, FD, or another investment. You might wonder what to do if unexpected situations arise, like health issues or job loss. For health issues, get health insurance. For job loss, have multiple income streams or two jobs. For retirement, ensure you have a provident fund, PF, and a pension scheme in place. In short, don't just save money, spend it wisely. Invest in assets like land, the stock market, or start a business. This way, you put your money to work and potentially earn more in the long run. Start with calculated risks. Be an investor by starting to learn about investments and taking calculated risks. This doesn't mean you should put all your savings into risky investments. Instead, allocate a small percentage of your savings to these investments. For example, if you earn 100,000 rupees and have 50,000 rupees in savings, you might decide to invest 3,000 rupees in the stock market. Choose an amount that won't disrupt your financial stability. Additionally, consider creating a group with trusted friends on WhatsApp, Instagram, or any platform. Share your investment research and insights within the group. This way, you can benefit from collective knowledge and your friends' research can also help you. Prioritize your health. Don't focus solely on saving money. Make sure you also prioritize your health by eating well and getting regular exercise. It's better to invest time and effort into maintaining your health now rather than saving money only to spend it on health issues later in life. Maximize your time. Money and health are important, but time is equally crucial. While you can't buy time itself, you can use money to spend your time more efficiently. For example, if you can travel by bus for 500 rupees in 10 hours, or by flight for 3,000 rupees in 2 hours, and you earn 1,000 rupees per hour at your job, it makes more sense to take the flight. By spending the extra money, you save 8 hours, which is worth 8,000 rupees of your time. Similarly, if you earn 100,000 rupees per month and have an opportunity to work an extra 2 hours a day for 40,000 rupees, but you spend 2 hours cooking, it might be more beneficial to hire a maid. This way, you can focus on activities that offer more value. Finally, invest time in upgrading your skills.